Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Dollar General clearance markdowns, the 25-cent sale, and the new penny list for this Tuesday, January the 24th. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. And first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of videos this week for you all, so if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have all of those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. We went over Dollar General, we did some Walgreens deals, plus I have 5 off $25 scenarios for Dollar General and Family Dollar this week. So like I said, they're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's start off with our Dollar General clearance markdowns and the 25-cent sale. Now, Dollar General has definitely been throwing us some curveballs over the last few weeks, but this week, starting on Tuesday, January the 24th, the Christmas clearance items will go down to just 25 cents. So the 25-cent sale is in fact happening this year, and it is super, super exciting. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at which categories will be included and marking down to just 25 cents. So for our first category, we have all of our Christmas seasonal items. So you want to be on the lookout for those red price tags or the little hang tags that say holiday style that are red and white. Now also included, we have our Christmas home decor items. So all of these items will be marking down to just 25 cents. So you want to be on the lookout for those forest green price tags. Next up, we have the Christmas pet category. Now, I believe it was in the Christmas visuals video part 2. I kind of talked to you guys about this just a little bit. I haven't been able to find much, but I did find a few things. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. That way you know what to be on the lookout for. All right, next up, also included, we have our Christmas stationery and books category. Now, again, I talked to you guys more about this in part 2, but I did find a ton of books that are included. We do have some exclusions, but I did find a lot of little coloring books and things like that. And this category also includes things like paper plates, paper towels, cups that are all Christmas themed. Now, we also have our Christmas gift set category included in the 25-cent sale. So you want to be on the lookout for those purple price tags, but be aware we have a lot of exclusions with this category because Dollar General will be rolling over the majority of those purple tag gift sets for Valentine's Day. But we do have a few of those purple tag gift sets that are included. I believe there was about 15 or so of those. So again, if you missed out on the Christmas visuals video, make sure that you go and check that out. All right, next up, also included, we have our Christmas apparel category. So we have things like socks, leggings, and pajama sets that are all going to be just 25 cents starting on Tuesday, the 24th. All right, next up, this is probably the most anticipated category that will be included in the 25-cent sale. We have all of our Christmas air care products. So all those name brands that we love, like Airwick, Febreze, and Glade. Plus, we've got a few True Living products as well. Keep in mind that we do have digital coupons. We've got that $175 off one Airwick product digital coupon. We also have that $330 off two for the Febreze products. And we just received a new 1 off 1 for the Febreze products as well last Sunday. Plus, we also have a couple of insert coupons. We've got a $150 off one for the Airwick Scented Oil Refills. And then we also have that $150 off one for the Airwick Essential Mist Refills. So what does that mean? That means that we're going to get out there and we're going to find these products and we're going to use these coupons and get huge, huge overages starting on Tuesday. All right, now the next category that's going to be included is the Christmas candy category. Now, we have all seen the candy canes and the gingerbread houses and our Christmas cookies. All of those will be included in our 25-cent sale. However, we also have some items that might not necessarily stand out to the employees as Christmas candy items. We've got things like gummies and candy bars and things like that. So again, if you missed out on those Christmas visual videos, make sure that you go back and watch them, because I did find quite a few items that, again, they might not necessarily stand out as Christmas to the employees. All right, now the next category that will be included are our Christmas baking items. Now, this category has been a hot topic over the last month because it did start marking down with the Christmas clearance items, but then all of a sudden it went back up to full price. However, I did check all of the UPC codes tonight, and those have in fact dropped down to 50%. So starting on Tuesday, those will in fact be included and marking down to just 25 cents. All right, and for the last category of items that will be included in this 25-cent sale, we have our New Year's party supplies. All right, so now that we've covered everything that's going to be included in our 25-cent sale, let's go ahead and talk about what will be excluded. So we have gift wrap, lights, trees, tree ribbon and bows, foldable boxes, gift ribbon, tags, Christmas cards, and outdoor decor. And again, if you all haven't watched those Christmas visual videos, I would highly recommend going back and checking those out, because in those videos, I did include examples of each of these categories. That way you kind of know what to look out for and what might be excluded from the 25-cent sale. Now, another category that will not be included in the 25-cent markdowns will be our Christmas storage category. And again, I did include visuals and UPC codes for all of those items that are included in those Christmas visual videos. All right, now I'm sure that some of you guys are already tired of hearing me talk about these Christmas visual videos, but for those of you who haven't checked those out yet, I'm going to give you guys a quick little rundown. So in part 1, I go over a lot of the Christmas seasonal and Christmas home decor items. And keep in mind that I have included pictures and UPC codes for each item. Then in part 2, I basically went over all of the other categories. So candy, stationery, pet, apparel, air care, and again, tons of visuals and tons of UPC codes for you all in part 2. Now, you guys are going to be seeing this video on Saturday, so I want you all to keep in mind that I will be uploading a Christmas visuals video part 3 later on today. So make sure that you come back and check it out. In part 3, I'm going to go over all of our Christmas baking items, again with pictures and UPC codes. Plus, I have some updates to our other categories from part 1 and part 2, because you know your girl has been out at all of the Dollar Generals this week, and I did find a few more air care items, a lot more apparel, and I'm sure that there's other things that I need to add on to other categories as well. So again, make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on and come back and check out part 3. Okay, so now that we've already talked about our new Dollar General clearance markdowns and that amazing 25-cent sale, let's go ahead and see what will be a penny starting on Tuesday, January the 24th. So for anyone who is new to penny shopping, the #1 rule of penny shopping is do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go to Dollar General on Tuesday, or you can penny shop any day of the week, but just keep your eye out for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find one, open up your Dollar General app, scan the item, and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If that item scans and shows up 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. All right, so starting on Tuesday, we have one item on our penny list so far for this week, and that is the Swiss Miss Marshmallow Hot Chocolate. Now, this description's a little bit weird. It says 8 count, but then it says hot cocoa packets 12 pack. So just be on the lookout. The UPC code is on your screen there for you all, and make sure to scan. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned and make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set to all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video, which will be your Christmas visual video part 3. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.